Hi, I'm Scott Sim. I'm from Moonglow Lightscapes. Today I'm doing a lighting addition at a site in Hamilton, Ontario. Why don't you ride along and come see what my day's all about? Let's go. We are heading into Hamilton, a nice little property on Aberdeen Avenue to add some lights to a system that we installed last year, and we just need to fill some more space with light today. I'll tell you from a personal standpoint, I've got a girlfriend that has just moved in with me with her kids. We've been together for a little over a year now, and we've just kind of made a nice little Brady Bunch out of our blended families. Professionally, probably, every time I get to do one of these type of projects, I get pretty excited. In particular, seeing something through from kind of steps A to Z, from design right through to turning a switch on, and we joke around that we create wows, and 9 times out of 10, or 10 times out of 10 sometimes, it seems like we get a wow. We get some form of wow. I've seen tears, I've been given hugs. It's pretty emotional when you hit the switch and it's like you're doing something beyond just turning on lights. I don't know how else to explain it, but it's just, there's such an amazing feeling of that end result. Normally I, get up, have a quick bite to eat, have a coffee at home, hit the road. I'm about 20-25 minutes away from the yard. So a lot of mornings, I head to the yard. Sometimes I head direct to a site, but on the way I tend to grab a coffee on the way so they can get me going in the morning. And I guess on that note, guys, do you want to grab a coffee? Medium dark roast, double milk. Medium dark roast, 1 cream. And then a medium double dark roast with sweetener. Morning. How are you? I know. We are doing something fun. Look at that. See ya. I love finding new ways to do things, right? New ways to light. And I mean, there's a lot of guys out there that can install lights. It's how you do it and the techniques you use and the variety of techniques, and it's creativity again. But then hitting the switch, turning it on, that's just seeing that design come to life. And I probably still do a little bit of oohing and awing myself. My favorite effect for lighting is downlighting. Natural moonlight, downlight, whatever expression you wish to use. But in turn, because you're fastened to something that grows, you need the ability to move your light away from the tree. So we use what's called a standoff bolt that essentially is screwed into the tree and is held together by a bolt with a double nut, and we just basically loosen the fixture off. When it comes to downlighting, the higher the better. So it's risk reward, let's call it. And knock on wood, I've never fallen out of a tree, and I don't plan on starting anytime soon. So this is our spot. I just gotta find a place to park. Is there anything back there, guys? Let's see here. We might beg forgiveness here. What I'm going to start doing is placing where the fixtures are going to go. Just kind of set them in their spot and then kind of look at how we connect the dots. We joke that this stuff's kind of like Lego. So we just need to, like I said, get them out there, point them, and go from there. What I'm doing is I'm going to use this wire to cut into and tie into the rest of the system. So I got a splice. So I'll add a third line to this that'll come down into the ground and start picking up these light fixtures that we're going to add in. These little butane torches are awesome because like a propane or acetylenes or some of the bigger torches, as soon as you do this or turn or whatever, they tend to knock themselves or blow out, right? I find these things you can crane them, twist them, and they're nice size too, hand size, right? So I'm not gonna bury my wires yet either. That'll be my last step of this. Get it all connected, test it, and then bury away. Okay, we're on. Time to test things. Hey, let there be light, guys. Now we gotta just bury wire. Like a good dig on a hot day. McDonald's. Double with sweetener, Milwaukee. Currently I have no laces, so I don't have that problem. Personally, Ford guy, professionally Dodge guy. I err on the side of no radio, actually. I'm more of a Spotify and MP3 kind of download kind of guy. Leafs, all the way. Boy, Jordan, I'm a purist. That's a tough one. I think Lemieux. I think Lemieux's downfall was injuries. I was in a buddy's living room. We were having a gathering, partying, drinking, cheering loudly. Generally just once, yeah, if that. I pack a lunch. Subway, and there's gonna be some guys chuckling about this right now. Yes. I have a cat, but I'm still preferential to dogs.
Thanks for letting us ride along with you today. Nice pair of wire boots for you to say thank you.
Thank you so much. Awesome. I guess I'm gonna have to start tying my boots now, right?
Absolutely, 100%.
That's great. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. I'm glad you came along.